Here's an idea for using Google Docs or Google Slides to make a collaborative student activity that you could use in maybe a Zoom breakout room or a remote class, synchronous. So here's how you could do that. Start a document by typing doc.new, or in this case slides.new, into your browser, and that will open up a blank presentation. For this first slide, let's make this the instructions slide. So I'm deleting these text boxes, adding a new text box, and I'm going to type out my instructions. So in this example, I might have them list 3 things they might change about a city. I'm going to insert a new slide, and this slide is going to be for group 1. So I'm going to put my prompt or prompts, and then once I have slide 1 or slide 2 set up the way I want it, I'm just going to duplicate it for group 2, and then again for group 3. And let's do one more time for group 4. And once I have the slides the way I want it, I can go to my share settings, give the slide deck a name. I'll go ahead and call it In-Class City Planning Exercise. And then hit save. And now here's where I want to change who can view this link. I'm going to change it from anyone at St. Anselm. I'm going to change it to anyone with the link. And the last thing I'm going to change is from viewer to editor. And what this does is that it allows anyone with the link to edit this document, so students can all work on this document together. Then hit save, and now I can just copy the link and share it with my students. In this example, I'm going to use a Google Doc, and I'm going to invite my students to fill out this table using their favorite hiking trailheads. At the end of the document, I'll have a list of a bunch of cool trailheads. When you click on Share, remember to change it from anyone at St. Anselm College. If you click on it, you can change it to anyone with a link. And remember to change the permissions from viewer to editor. Here you can also copy the link and hit done. And that's how you can set up a collaborative Google Doc. These examples could be used to further a class discussion. So after you break out into small groups, you can come back to the class and go over what the students have done and maybe dive a little bit deeper, expand the conversation a little bit further. I've seen this used for collaborative note-taking or just creating cool digital lists or archives together. So these are just some of the ways that you can use Google Docs just by sharing the permission settings to make it collaborative and fun. Thanks so much for watching.